Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad to announce that I will be posting on YouTube from now on. But before we go into the video, make sure to follow me on my social media at Steve Nailed It on both Instagram and TikTok. It will be also linked in the description box down below. Alright honeys, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe as well. So for the base color, we will be using my favorite nude DD170 Nude Bar. We're going to be doing 2 coats of this. And then we're just going to go ahead and cure it in our Hybrid Pro lamp. So as this is curing, I love this Hybrid Pro lamp. I made a TikTok video on it. If you guys are from iGel Beauty or from my social media, then hi, love you for the support. But anyways, this Hybrid Pro lamp is a game changer and I recommend it for everyone. So this is after the first layer, and then we're gonna go ahead and do a second layer. Look, I'm already running out of my favorite gel. Seriously, if you guys are from iGel Beauty or from my social medias, then you would already know this is my favorite nude. Literally, it goes really good on all skin tones. Alright, so this is the second coat, and we're just gonna pop it into our Hybrid Pro lamp again. So as this is curing, I might as well catch you guys up. So I am officially a iGel Beauty brand ambassador. Thank you guys so much for the support. You guys made it happen by showing love on my TikTok, and that's how they found me. So make sure, whenever you post stuff, make sure to tag the companies that you used. Social media is really, really big now. So today we'll be using the Easy Ombre Gel. This is going to be my first time using it, so let's see how easy it is. I saw it online by the other brand ambassador, Sabrina Nails. Her links will also be down in the description box below, so go ahead and check her out. Show her some love. But yeah. In addition, we will be using the Ombre Art Brush. And then on the other side, since it is dual-headed, it also comes with this one. We'll be using both sides today. The color that we're gonna ombre it out to is Blazing Orange DD66. Oh my gosh, look how neon this is. So vibrant, I love it. So we're gonna go in with the Easy Ombre Gel and do 1 layer. Alright, and we're gonna go ahead and flash cure in our lamp. For everything that I'm using today, it is from iGel Beauty, and you can use my code Steve60 to save money at checkout. Because I don't know about y'all, but I love saving money, and this is quality products. Alright, it's time for the magic. Let's see how easy this Easy Ombre Gel is. So what you're gonna do is just go ahead and dip it in. Tap off the excess, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it up. Just a little bit. Go in again. Blend it up. Tap off the excess. And then I'm going to just go ahead and ombre this out a little bit more. Just remember, your first layer does not have to be perfect. Alright, so this is what I'm working with so far. We're going to go ahead and try to tap the excess out, but we're also going to be using the other side of the brush and just brush it out. You can also use a dust brush as well. Alright, so this is the first layer. I want it to be really, really vibrant. So then we're going to go in with another layer of the Easy Ombre Gel. Remember to coat the whole nail, because if you don't, you're going to have that lump, and we don't want that. So we're just going to go ahead and flash cure one more time in our lamp. Go ahead and comment down below what your favorite iGel Beauty color is. Of course, mine is DD170 Nude Bar. Okay. So we just go we just went ahead and flash cured it. This is what it is looking like. And then what you want to do is dip it in, but you don't want to dip it in the whole way. You're just going to dip it in halfway and then ombre it out. Okay. Bring it back up. You can dip as many times as needed. Go ahead and dust it off. This is what it's looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and put some top coat on, and then that should be it. So of course we'll be using the No Cleanse top coat. That's a new bottle, but I'm gonna be using my old bottle because why start a new one, you know? So this does look really nice, and it's so easy to do. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I'm like running out of the top coat because I use it so much. Alright, this is what it is looking like, and then we're just gonna go ahead and cure it. So it does cure in 30 seconds, but I always like to be safe than sorry, and I cure it for 60. So I'm gonna let that go ahead and finish up, and I will start cleaning up my mess. This is actually really easy. Oh, it's done. So we're gonna take it out. But bam! Oh my goodness, this came out so freaking good. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. I'm really impressed by this. This is a must-have. Hopefully you guys like this little tutorial. If you guys do want more tutorials, go ahead and comment down below. And like this video and make sure to subscribe. I love you, honeys, and I'll see you later. Mwah.